your third bottle.
Hey, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Well, it's June 6th, and it's about 9 a.m., 9:30 thereabouts, here at Cajon Pass, California. We spent the night over in Beaumont. We took a 0-day. We were beaten up. Our bodies were really tired and sore, so we took some time off. Had a nice dinner, got some rest. And then we took an Uber up here to Cajon Pass, and where we picked up our resupply box. In our resupply box, you know, when you have too much stuff and you don't want to carry so much, you put your stuff in a hiker box. In many places along the PCT, they'll have these boxes here where you could put your extra stuff in there for other hikers to take if they want and use if they want, if they can. So a lot of stuff like, you know, baggies and feminine products. Here's a pack of tortillas. Somebody left a pack of tortillas in there. I wonder who that was. Carnation instant breakfast. So these are the things that some people don't want to take with them, and actually I put in the Carnation instant breakfast. So I don't want to take that. It's a hiker box, and it helps out other hikers when they're running low on supplies. Anyway, we are going to head out and start heading towards Wrightwood. It's going to be a little bit of a climb. Once we get up to about a certain elevation, it levels off, and then we'll walk into Wrightwood in about 2 days. But I'll take some videos and pictures along the way. All right, talk to you later. Hey guys, and we're back. I wanted to try to catch this little video of us going through this drainage tunnel. We're actually going to be going underneath the I think they're the Burlington Santa Fe railroad tracks. But oh, look at spooky. Oi. Pretty cool. This is so the water can get under the bridgeway. And then we're back in the mountains. How about that? And here's the PCT logo, showing you that you're on the trail. Okay, we'll pick it up later. Okay. Hey guys, we're back. We just left Cajon Pass and we're headed up. If you can see, the trail is up here. We're going to get up around there. But as we're walking through this edge, this what they call a knife edge, the clouds are coming through here, real windy, and they're whipping through here. Yeah. So there's Caterpillar. I gotta get up to that top of that mountain right there. Anyway, these are the San Fernando Mountains that we're walking over. And it's a little overcast. They don't expect rain, just some wind and some low-hanging clouds. Nothing drastic. Anyhow, I'm gonna get back on the trail. Just checking in. Talk to you later. We're doing great. I'm gonna have to take off this hat, otherwise it's gonna fly off my head. It is. Yeah, it's whipping right past Stella, the Caterpillar. Look at it. Kathy's hitting that high wind up there. Clouds are just whipping around here. I figured I'd take a couple minutes before I start going up there. Okay, here we go. Well, hey guys, we're still trying to cross this mountain here that's being blasted by this cloud, high wind. But look at this, we're above the clouds. Actually, we're in the clouds. Over here you can see how the cloud is breaking up. A little windy, but not unbearable. There's Caterpillar up there. So I'm going to get on the other side of this mountain over there and be protected by the wind, so I'll sign off and pick it up later.
Here goes Rich. This is like ridiculous. Come on. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Beautiful. It's super windy today, but it's nice because if we were here in the sun, forget it. It would be ridiculous to hike in, but we're just taking this in. Here's my friends.
See, I didn't like that though.
Well, we stopped for a break a little while ago. Took a lunch. And we stopped by a water cache. This is what a water cache looks like.
We stopped for lunch here. Everybody's squatted. This is a water cache here, so we filled up our bottles. But
He ends up getting saved by a
everybody's
gang
just
of
relaxing right
bandits.
now. There's Kathy.
And the only way,
Hopefully there's no snakes.
wanted him around. Bandits. The only reason they wanted him around was because he was good with a gun. And now we're on the road, or rather on the trail, to go to these mountains. We're going to get up inside one of those canyons and then just ride the ridge all the way down to Wrightwood. So we'll see how that goes. We got a little bit of climbing coming up, but nothing that's terribly unmanageable. Should be fine. Now that we've got more water, our packs are a little more heavier. So I'll end it here and pick it up later. Hey everyone. Well, we're still on the trail, and you can see Caterpillar, she's right there. We're going to be hiking up to this mountain. I'm going to flip the camera on so I can show a better view of it. So there's Caterpillar, and if you look, there's a trail right there that we're going to come up over that mountain and angle that way. A little more climbing. We should be stopping in about 2 miles for the night. Set up some tents, make some dinner, and then just chill. So we should be there within an hour and a half, something like that. Anyway, I will check in later. See you later. Good morning, everybody. Hey, we ended up camping on top of this beautiful mountain last night. We made it to our campsite. We're still about 13 miles away from Wrightwood, but we found a beautiful campsite to camp at right on top of this mountain, and right now we're above the clouds. There's the crew. We're getting ready to head down the road and see if we can hitch a ride into Wrightwood. And then after that, it's party time. We're going to engorge ourselves.
Yes, we are.
So I'll end it here for now, pick it up later, and maybe show some videos on the way down. Okay, talk to you later.